Hello, I am Jake Henderson, and this is my final computer science project. So for project one, I added on to lab four, which was the bank account with the savings and checking account and withdrawing and depositing. So I added on to that to make this interface with PyQt. So you can input your account name, the amount of money you want to withdraw or deposit in your savings or checking accounts, either one. So we'll start with Jake taking out 100 from his savings account, and as it says here, we have to click clear after each submission to be able to reset the values. So whenever you want to use a new account name, you need to click the clear button. So we click submit. Savings account started with 10,000. Now we're at 9,900 for Jake's savings account. So then if we want to do Dave and we want to take out 1,000 of the savings account, should be down to 9,000. And we click clear. If we go back to Jake and his savings account and we deposit 1,000 or 100, we should be back up to 10,000, which is the case. So this is working because based on the feedback that I got from Professor Aurora, I needed to implement a CSV file to be able to keep account of the account name, the type of account, and then the balance. So that really helps in keeping track of a running total for each account. So if we switch to checking account, we start at 1,000, and then if we go to change it to Dave, and we click checking account, and we do 1,000, and we withdraw, he's now at 0. Then Jake was at 1,100, so now he's back down to 1,000 after withdrawing. Deposit also works, going up. So then if we deposit 10,000 into Dave's checking account, he should be at 10,000, which is the case. For the amount of money, you can only type in float numbers. Obviously, if you want to type in floats also work. But letters will not work. Account names can be both letters and numbers. Does not matter, but the money always needs to fill in. If you do not have money, it will not run, even if you have the account name. Okay. So here's that CSV file again, keeping track of everything for the running total. For project number 2, I started from scratch and made a car radio. So here it is. We have the power button up here in the top left. Please select a listening mode. These are all the listening modes. So then if we click to FM, so radio stations, you have to select the station, then hit play. So we hit play is the first radio station, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Then if we come over here to Bluetooth, we got 3 songs to cycle through, fast forward and rewind. There is no sound, but there is volume button here just to show it. Gotta plug in the aux cord first, click aux, cycle through the few songs, fast forward and rewind. Try to play USB, gotta plug it in first. Come over here, fast forward, rewind, volume up. CD, gotta insert the CD first, then we go there. Fast forwarding through the CD. If we eject it and try and fast forward, it doesn't work. The CD's not in. We put it back in, it works. Everything works. But as soon as you eject it, nothing works. So yeah. And then if we turn it off, it obviously resets, and then you can go anywhere. So yeah. So the car radio took a lot of time and took a lot out of me. So it definitely helped to really get into problem solving and finding a way to fix problems that I didn't need to go to the TAs for and didn't need to go to a professor for. It was very difficult to get this fast forward function to work, and I waited until the last day to get help because I really appreciated the challenge of trying to fix the code by myself and try and find a way to solve everything, because that was really fun and very frustrating at times, but very fun to try a whole bunch of different things, try everything I know to try and fix everything. And after doing that car radio, I really understand how to work from scratch now and really start code and get a feel for when to create functions and how to create them and how to tie everything together. And I feel like I really understand PyQt extremely well now. CSV files, understand them well, how to use them, how to append to them. Yeah, I feel like I understand almost everything we did this semester a whole lot better after doing these two projects. Thank you.